Good evening, Ridhvesh Finance presenting GMP prediction for Go Fashion India Limited. Dear viewers, if you see our Go Fashion IPO, where we have predicted subscription prediction up to maximum 60%, and it has been achieved it. This IPO has oversubscribed it very well, and that's the reason we will give it to you some sort of predictions. Wait and watch. Go Fashion India Limited IPO detail. This is symbol of Go Colors, where issue will be open on 17th November 2021, and issue will be closed on 22nd November 2021. Post issue modification you can do it on 23rd November 2021 from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Cutoff time for UPI mandate confirmation will be 23rd November up to 12 p.m. Size of this issue is rupees 1,250 million, and issue type is book build issue 100%. Price range will be band between rupees 655 to rupees 690. Face value is 10 rupees. Ticket size is 1. Bid lot will be 21 equity shares and multiple thereof. Minimum order quantity is 21 equity shares. Where market subscription announcement retail investor for up to 2 lakh. It's 2 lakh basically. IPO market timing will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead managers are JM Financial Limited, DAM Capital Advisory Limited, and ICICI Securities Limited. Subscription prediction for Go Fashion India. Ridhvesh Finance expecting this subscription prediction band between 25% to 60%. Please keep watching a grey market strategy. Dear investors and viewers, if you see Go Fashion India Limited IPO reports where they have cumulative given and the qualified institutional buyers are 100.73 number of total mints for the category, including foreign institutional investor, domestic financial institute, including banks, financial institutions, insurance companies, mutual funds, and others, where non-institutional investors, including they have number of times of the total mint for the category is 262.08, including corporates, individual other than RRIs, and others, where retail individual investor shows nice interest in this, that is 49.70, and the total has gone up to 135.46. So dear investors and viewers, this is one of the IPO which has got oversubscribed it. GMP prediction for Go Fashion India Limited. We are expecting this share could not offer discount offer, but it will give at least minimum INR listing 920 to 50, and maximum INR we are expecting it can goes up to 1080 or 1250, and if it is really give them a good returns, it can goes up to 1300 to 1400, but it is the least we are expecting. 1400 above it get listed in case, but we don't want it to give biggest hope, so that's the reason we are giving minimum at least 920. They will give it to you return on the day of listing, but probably this will gives a good return as we are hoping, because the IPO has performed well till now, so absolutely listing will also gives a good return on the day of listing. Hopefully you will find another IPO which will give the GMP good during this week. means the day of listing. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. Keep a tap to understand what is our stats says about IPOs, GMPs, and yes, we will launch it very soonly. Number of things, so wait and watch it. Dear investors, you can watch our MTAR videos, which we have predicted during February itself. Yes, 8 months before the target given by us, and that has completing in the November itself only. The November 8 months target, that is statics really work hard and wait and watch. We are coming back with the other targets too.